Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I've just purchased this phone from AliExpress, and it is not as performing as it is showing. First, I will show. You see the speed. This phone I purchased, i12 Pro Max smartphone, Android 10, 6.7-inch HD screen, 5G cell phone, 12 plus 512 GB Face ID, 5800 mAh dual SIM mobile phone. I will try to open this link. Maybe it will open in AliExpress. I've already installed AliExpress. Yes, it is here. You see, first you see the speed. What is speed? What is slow speed? So they are marketing i12 Pro Max. Right now I am running this video on this particular phone. 12 GB, 512 GB. Okay, this is the information. All 48 MP camera. This is what it is showing. Okay, here if you see in the description, specifications, here you can see 12 GB RAM, 512 GB, but according to performance, it is I don't know. Camera, I have another camera, another phone with 48 MP. Pictures are super crisp, but here no pictures. Here the resolution it is showing too high, whatever. You see all these things. So I just want to return this phone. Let me go to the settings. You see the speed, how much it is taking. Okay. System and about phone. It is showing 10. It is showing all these information. The RAM is 12 GB. Is saying, and Android version is 10. Android security, this and that. And you see, Android version 10. Any phone with Android version 10 has the screen recorder itself, but I don't find a screen recorder in here. That is why I'm using Mobian. Then I installed a software that is called the Geekbench. When you go inside this, let's see what he is showing me. So this is the model, okay, and this is Android version 8.10. This is not Android version 10. CPU is ARM Spectrum. What he is marketing, the CPU, he is marketing the CPU as MTK 688910 core. That is used in most many of the new phones. Let's go back. Geek benchmark. Let's see the device. If you go into the device, you see the model, the platform, and the OS is Android 8.10, and the CPU is this. Memory that is marketed to be how much? 12 GB. It is 899. That's why you see the speed. Resolution 480 by 1014. Okay, let's see what he is marketing. Resolution. He is marketing the resolution to be 3040 by 1440. This is my resolution. You see, and I installed one of the SIM into it, and that SIM itself is 4G, and it runs at 4G in my phone. But here in this phone, as soon as we start, it's showing 5G. We moved here and there, and it's just showing 5G. So this is the phone. And one more thing, let me show you. I just installed some applications. This is with the settings of the phone. This is about, and let's go into the storage. I have not found anything that about the storage. You see how much time it is taking. Click here to see system speaking. It is already used 23%, 118. My other phone, I'm using 128 GB RAM, 128 GB of storage. It took months to fill it up, months, with a lot of videos and audios, recordings, and WhatsApp, and in and out, so much so. Here the user data is very small. You see this very small user data. Back, you see photos 0.12, music audio is nothing, movie TV app is this 0.04, other apps 1.6, and you see 116 is already used out of 512. So this is a completely fake phone, seems to be, and I have not found any application that can see how the camera works, but you can see the quality of camera. This is the one I installed newly, this camera, thinking if it will be working good. Let's go out of it and use the default camera that came with it. This is the default camera. Okay, you see the picture quality. Okay, this is the picture quality, and how much can you go? Only 2x zoom. The quality so much, you see, blurry. Let's take a picture of it. See the things. I try to install this camera if this camera works better, but the hardware is the same. That's why everything is the same. Okay, so this is my review to this phone. The fingerprint is working, yes, and things are working since this is Android, and but this is not as it was promised. So I'm trying to return this phone. Hope the manufacturer, the seller, will return it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.